What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Mike from JDM Icon here, and I am here with
Josh.
So in this video we got a new steering wheel from Street Arrow. Shout out to them for sending this out to us. So the steering wheel Street Arrow sent out to us is a forged carbon fiber steering wheel with the suede handles. Honestly, I haven't tried out a carbon fiber steering wheel, and I'm really interested to see how this feels compared to the Nardi I'm currently running.
I haven't tried a suede one either.
Yeah, this is like the
solid,
first
dude.
suede steering wheel that we've had, and it's carbon, so.
They also did send a shift knob too.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Honestly, the quality of the carbon fiber and the shift knob, like all together, it's not like it's actually really nice. You know what I mean? Like it's not like one of those cheap rip-off like carbon fiber ones. It's actually like legit carbon fiber and has a good weight to it. And for the steering wheel being like carbon fiber, I would have thought it would be a lot lighter, which is kind of sketchy for a steering wheel. But this actually has a good weight to it, to be honest. I'm really interested to see how it compares to my Nardi steering wheel that I'm running, because I've heard many good things with the Street Arrow products and their carbon fiber stuff. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll put the link over here. And this is their Instagram, street_arrow. So yeah, if you guys are interested to check out the steering wheel, definitely check it out.
This looks good. It also comes with a, what is this? A delete horn button, right?
Yeah, it comes with a plate that you put behind the steering wheel, so it kind of deletes the horn button. So the Z is not gonna have a horn button for a little bit, but I think it's gonna look. Oh shit! It also has these
hardware too.
Yeah, it comes with the screw, but the screws have a little crush washer, so it doesn't scratch the carbon fiber here. That's actually really smart.
Trying my best.
2,000 years later.
I'm interested to see the delete.
Because race cars don't need horns, right, Josh?
They don't need horns.
So this is my Voltec steering wheel that is also made by Nardi Personal. And this is a limited 1 of 100, and this is the packaging. This is straight up it. This is the steering wheel that I got. And yeah, it's a cool steering wheel. It's made by Nardi. It's a good reputable brand, but this is the packaging. It's literally the steering wheel in a plastic bag. Street Arrow, on the other hand, they also included like packing peanuts.
Cheetos.
Yeah, packing Cheetos, packing peanuts, and they actually go like the extra mile with packing the steering wheel. And even like look, like this is a legit Nardi, and it's not as good.
The packaging is honestly elite of Street Arrow.
Yeah.
Look at that Voltex collab though.
Does it fit?
Yeah,
it does. It does. Yeah.
Kind of want to put it on, but I don't want to scratch the carbon. Dude, I always wanted to forged carbon. Literally looks like, I don't know, like marble or something.
Yeah.
Like that. And it looks so cool. I always wanted something forged carbon. It looks so cool, dude.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I really like the suede, like.
Yeah, I never had a suede
feel too. Yeah.
You guys should definitely check them out because they're underrated, man. They're up next. They're up next for sure.
Definitely. And I like how the branding is so minimalistic. Like it's nice. It's nice. The Z is out here warming up, and we got a lot more snow in Canada. Check this out, guys. Holy. And it's only gonna get worse from here. You guys in California are so lucky you don't gotta deal with this. Oh. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on with the install. So for this install, it's actually super simple. All you're gonna need is like metric size or imperial size Allen heads, and then just figure out which one is the right size. I think it's this one. I think it's a 3. Yes, sir. There we are. Oh, that one was a little loose. Oops. Alright, so we got the old Nardi off. This was a really good steering wheel. I still do really like it, but it's time for a change. I want to change to something new, which is the carbon fiber. Damn, this thing's gonna look sick.
Dude, in the light, the carbon looks crazy.
Oh, dude, and it's the same bolt pattern as Nardi. That's actually really cool. Which is really popular, so I don't have to change my quick release. I don't have to reorient my quick release. It's still gonna be straight, so that's actually really nice. So one thing I want to explain is the actual bolt the Street Arrow provides you for the carbon fiber steering wheel. So you see here, this is the normal bolt that you would get for like a steel or metal steering wheel, right? It's just a normal tapered Allen key bolt. The one that Street Arrow gives you has like this rubber washer here. This is actually so when you put on the steering wheel, it doesn't scratch the carbon fiber. If you were to put a standard bolt here, this could,
yeah, it would definitely scratch.
It would scratch, and it could possibly break the steering wheel, especially if you're in an accident or something. So this is actually really good. I really like this. And then from here, it's just like a normal steering wheel install. Wow, this actually looks pretty sick.
Dude, this looks good. Like,
this looks really nice.
It's nice to switch things up, dude.
Yeah, look at this forged carbon fiber, man. What is this, a Lamborghini? It's yellow on the outside too. Damn.
You got carbon in the interior.
It's basically a Huracan now. It's basically a Huracan. So if you have a yellow car and a forged carbon fiber steering wheel, you're basically a Huracan.
Yeah,
like that's how cars work.
And it's suede too. That's just.
Yeah, because we're an Italian car now, right? Oh, wait a second. I forgot to put this on.
Oh my god.
Hold on. No, cut. Beep.
What was that?
Wait, it didn't ding.
That was like I don't even know what.
Let's try it again.
Oh. You're not cool enough, dude.
People are saying like, yo, you gotta turn the steering wheel so. Just doesn't ding, dude. Anyways, the steering wheel is on and actually feels really good. Like comparing it to like a Nardi steering wheel that I just had, it feels like for carbon fiber, I wasn't expecting it. It actually feels pretty good. Like it feels strong too. Like I wouldn't be scared if I got into I'd be scared if I got into a car accident, but you know, I'd feel safe with this. That's what I'm trying to say. It actually feels really good. And you can see like the rubber like grommets or gaskets that the bolts have, it actually expanded and it kind of like a cushion between the bolt and the steering wheel, so it doesn't scratch the steering wheel or anything like that. So that's actually really nice. And it's a good size too. It's a little bit smaller than the Nardi. Let's take it for a spin.
Yes, sir. Let's do it. What are we doing?
All right, so now that we have the carbon fiber steering wheel on, I just wanna see, because I haven't really slid a car with a suede wrap, like a suede steering wheel. And I'm kind of used to like the leather Nardi steering wheel that I usually have. So I want to kind of put it to the test and try it out. And carbon fiber shift knob. It actually feels really good. I like it. And I don't think the carbon fiber shift knob is gonna get cold in the winter because it's not metal. You know what I mean?
Actually, it's warm right. Well, the car's on.
The car has been on, but yes. The thing is with snow sliding is it's like slow motion. That's basically what it is.
So guys, I'm gonna be taking a video of Mike from out here. See how sideways he gets. Oh my god, this guy has to drift all the way from the opposite side. I'm gonna have to get up close. Oh my god. Jeez. Winter sliding. This guy's so happy, he's smiling right now. Okay, so how's the wheel?
Dude, it actually feels pretty good.
It does?
Like, it feels a lot grippier than the standard like leather
the
wheel.
suede, it's more like grippier.
Yeah, like it. I don't know, like
The leather slips a little.
like it's gonna sound weird for me saying this, but it hugs my hand. You know what I mean? Like it just there's a lot more friction.
Oh my god, yo, you're so close to the snowbank. Jeez. That was so close.
That was I got nervous. Oh, we're spinning. Oh.
Damn. The vlog witnessed it.
Yo, look at all the snow in there. Holy. Definitely have to give the car a wash again because I don't want this car to rust. Jeez. It's like the outside isn't that bad, but like in the wheel well, that's brutal. But that is all the time we have for today. I want to give a huge shout out to Street Aero for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out because this steering wheel is super cool. Same with the shift knob, and they have a bunch of other products for different cars and stuff like that on their website, so definitely check them out. I'll put the link here or down below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.